Hello. So today we're gonna talk about the very important or popular topic nowadays, that is ChatGPT. So today I'm going to demonstrate you how you can use ChatGPT in order to make your daily task easier. Whether if you are a app developer or you are web developer, or even if you are college or a school student, how can you help you? How can you help yourself in order to get the answers of your assignment? So let's start the demonstration. Okay. So ChatGPT is nothing but a chatbot, okay, which is built on OpenAI, which currently using two learning model, that is supervised learning model, and another is reinforcement learning. So first you need to search just ChatGPT and then press enter, and then click the very first link that is showing in the result. Okay, after clicking this result you eventually reach here, then click on try chat gpt, then log in with your Google account. You reach here, you can see a field. Okay, here you can simply ask your questions and just hold your sit tight and you will get your results very fast. Let's try. Okay, so just a simple question. Starting with a simple question: how to write a code in Java. Press enter. It was searching and it starts giving you result. Okay, so you can see as it starts coding for you. Okay, so it's done with its output. So its answers, Chat GPT's answer is: to write a code in Java, you need to have a basic understanding of the syntax and structure of the language. Here's a simple hello world program to get you started. Okay, save the code in a file with a .java extension, then compile and run it using the following command. This should print hello world in your terminal or command prompt. Okay, so this is this answer is simply given to you by using supervised learning model. Now, if you are not satisfied with the result, then you can dislike it. If you are disliking it, then you are giving a penalty for the bad result. And if you like it, then you are rewarding the chat GPT for its good result. And this way it is using reinforcement learning as well. So as I promise you how to use this GPT model in your development task. Okay, so first search. Let's try to build a website. Just demonstrating you how to you can build a website with the help of ChatGPT. So just to get into the bootstrap. Okay, for the design ideas only, not for designing, just for design ideas. Then go okay themes. Okay, now look at this. These are the paid themes. These themes are not free at all. These are the paid themes. So how can you use these themes at free of cost? So this looks great. Let's go into the live preview. Okay, loading. Sorry for the bad internet connection. Let's stop with this. Okay. Remove. It's loading still. Not a problem at all. Please wait a little bit. Okay. Still loading. Okay. Actually, we don't require the means we don't need to wait for this loading. We can see here that it looks like this. Okay, and we require only the link from here. Copy it and then come back to the chat GPT. Okay, and then write generate code for according to this, or paste the link. It will analyze the link. Here you can see the result. Here's the basic HTML code that you can use to create a website according to the design you mentioned. Okay, so it's have analyzed the link which we provide here, and it generates. Sorry, there is a network error. Okay, so we stop it and regenerate the response. Let me check. Okay, connection is disconnected. Now this should solve the problem. Regenerate the response. Something went wrong. Connection is okay. What is the problem? Okay, try to load this page. Okay, so we are experiencing a exceptionally high demand. Okay, because you know that this is a very high demand technology right now. That's why it's a little busy. Means server of ChatGPT is a little busy. So come back to our generate code according to the link. Press enter. Now it should generate the link. Here is an example code that implements the bootstrap theme with the ID. It will identify, means, it have identified that this is the bootstrap, and it's start generating the code. Okay, here you can see it is generating horizontally because the link is a little bit large. Okay, it's generating. It takes time. Why? Because it analyze one by one and they generate accordingly. That's why it takes a little time. It's still generating. Just hold your stick tight. Although it takes a little bit time, but you have to admit it that it is way more faster than the human efficiency. So generating. Here you can see the nav bar, everything it generates. Okay, but don't feel that it generates each and everything. If it do so, although it can, but if it do so, then it eventually violates the bootstrap policy. So it will give you the result that will help you work efficiently. Okay, efficiently. So it's generating originally the link. So in this way you can, and you can say this is PHP code. Okay. So in this way you can use ChatGPT freely in order to develop and create the most demanding themes, which cost in thousands and free of cost with the help of ChatGPT. In the same way, you can use it for the app development also. You can use it also for your assignment, like whatever your assignment question, just write down it here, like how to generate Fibonacci series, and you can say it starts generating the code. I want to show you one more use of it. There are lots of use, but one more use which I use basically, that is, let's generate a simple code. Generate a simple Java. Sorry for the mistake of spelling. Okay. So this is a simple Java code. Let's copy the code and paste here. And what I can use it the ChatGPT for identifying the error. Let's create an error intentionally. Let's remove the semicolon. Then write the question: what is the error? The error in the code is a missing semicolon at the end of the line. This it identifies the error. Not only identifying, it also gives you the right answer by removing that error. So this is really very useful, especially for the programmer. Okay. So this is the several use cases of ChatGPT. There are lots of use cases of ChatGPT. It's possible. You have to find out how you can use this resource in your day-to-day life. Okay, that's totally up to you and your use cases. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.